Hey guys, welcome to the studio. Today I'll be showing you guys the build for Tsukuyomi's Tsukuyomi's Moonlit Greatbow. This is from Final Fantasy. What was it? Final Fantasy 14. Hold on. Yeah, Final Fantasy 14. That's the MMO, right? Because 13 was that pink bitch, and 15 was Road Trip with the Boys. Okay. But anyway, I commissioned Pretom from Bjoy 3D Home for the 3D model. This made the workflow a lot easier because of how complex or how complicated a lot of the organic shapes are of this bow. The end result was not 100% accurate, but very close to these artwork depictions of the weapon. If you guys are interested in commissioning Pretom for any of your 3D modeling work, I will leave the link in the description below. With the 3D model in hand, I started slicing it apart just so I can be able to print all the chunks and then glue them together. We'll be going for 1:1 scale as best as we can, because we ain't building props for mice. So yeah, the surface area between each chunk that I'm slicing apart is fairly decent. So I ended up getting rid of all those little pegs that would connect them, and the end result ended up being quite sturdy. There's also the Quiver Arrow, which was very simple. Just gotta slice it apart, print it out, spray it, and hand paint it. Not much else to describe, so I'm just gonna go ahead and let the footage roll. Oh boy, this was a fairly long 3D printing project, especially the hand painting part. That step took maybe like 6 hours, I guess, in total. But the end result was not too bad. I will be taking a brief hiatus since I have some trips planned this August of 2023. But once I get back, I will definitely be working on some very intense projects. A couple insane builds lined up, and a few other things, including a group cosplay. But anyway, I'll see you guys later.